Today, we are going to talk about a very serious topic, and what I am going to share with you, please listen carefully because the kind of fraud happening in the insurance market right now, it's very important for you to be aware of it so that you can complete all your formalities in advance and later the company cannot cheat you. So that's why I am here. And hi, I am Mariam and I represent Policy Hub, a place where we present insurance in the simplest way so it's easy for you to understand, and we bring you update information related to insurance. That's why in today's video I will tell you how insurance companies are carelessly increasing health insurance premium and even deleting members from policies without informing the customers. So stay with me till the end of this video to know the complete truth. So as you all recently noticed, health insurance companies are raising premiums every year. Hospitals are charging patients blindly and insurance companies are rejecting claims on technical grounds. So today we are going to cover these harsh truths and show you what really happens behind the scenes. So let's begin with hospitals. The reality is that the treatment has now become a business target. Hospital charges patient blindly, surgery costs are exaggerated, room rents are extremely high, and even before a simple procedure, a long list of unnecessary tests is prescribed. And if you try to get those tests done outside at a reasonable price, hospitals often refuse to accept those reports, insisting that all tests must be done in-house. And patients are no longer treated as patients. They are seen as revenue source. Because of this, overcharging insurance company end up facing higher payouts, and to recover those costs, they increase premium carelessly. And at the end of the day, insurance is also a business. They need to make money while providing coverage, but with rising hospital bills, the burden is passed on to customers. So this is the scenario of hospitals, how they treated customers or patients. Now let me share a real story with you. So recently one customer had a renewal coming up. He called us and said his renewal notice only showed 3 members covered, whereas when the policy was taken, 4 members were included. After checking, we found that the company had deleted his wife's name from the renewal notice, and when we dug deeper, we found that customer had taken a claim for his wife. And at the time of verification call, he had mentioned that his wife had taken a claim related to piles earlier. After verification call, company asked the documents related to piles, but unfortunately, customer did not have any documents related to piles treatment because the treatment was done a long time ago. Now, here's what the company did. They did not inform the customer at that time. They waited the entire year without giving any update and simply deleted the member at the time of renewal. The company could have done many things at that point. Either they informed the customer right away and deleted his wife from the policy with the refund of the excess premium, or applied a waiting period, or simply not issue the policy in the first place. But no. Instead, they kept the entire premium for a year and delayed the member later, and the customer only come to know at the renewal time. This is why you must always check the reputation of the company you are buying a policy from and how it is performing in the market. Now, let's talk about the increasing premium. How companies are increasing premiums in carelessly way. I'll show you some real examples from customers. One client's premium in 2022 for 3 years was around 1,36,000. But at renewal, the premium went up to around 2,72,000. That means it doubled. Another client had an annual premium of 1,80,000 and the next renewal come at around 2,90,000. So you can clearly see how carelessly the premium are being increased. If we talk about the inflation rate, then medical inflation every year is between 12 to 15%. But here, companies have no fixed scale or parameter for increasing premiums. After COVID, since claim ratio have gone up so fast, companies are blindly increasing premiums to manage their profitability, which is going far out to reach for the common man's. And not just that, nowadays companies have found a new trick. You may have seen or heard about it. When they feel they can't manage losses by just increasing premiums, they launch new plans every year. In these new plans, premiums are kept low initially, no option of porting is given. They collect fresh premium from the market to boost their book value and show good reputation in the market. But when it comes time to pay claims, they reject them with illogical reason. So I will show you the real reports. Just in financial year 2020-24, the total value of rejected and repudiated claim was more than 26,000 crore, and it is a 90% just compared to the 2023. And the biggest reason is nearly 40% of cases were mispresented, fraud or discrepancy. And other common reason included unnecessary hospitalization, pre-existing condition and policy exclusion. So in simple words, we are paying more premiums, but when the time comes to claim, companies refuses on technical ground. Now another big problem is awareness. According to surveys, 65% of policyholders do not properly understand the terms of their policy, and nearly 80% are not even sure if they have the right coverage. And shockingly, 6 out of 10 family members don't even know if they are insured, and even if they are, under what term and conditions. Only 1 out of 10 customer actually knows all the terms and conditions of their policies. And last year, out of 40,600 complaints received, 76% were health insurance related, and out of those, 85% were about claim rejections. And this is big much. This clearly shows that lack of awareness is the biggest reason why customers lost their money. Now we discuss how insurance companies playing smart. They know that if a customer complains to the ombudsman, they will need to arrange all documents. Only highly aware customers who have all the information about their policy and keep their previous policies safe for at least 5 years can clear their claim through the ombudsman, because it is also a time-taking process. But most customers are unaware. They don't know the term and condition, they don't keep policy documents safe, or they simply give up looking at the long process. And that's where the company benefits. They receive the premium and they don't even have to pay the claim. And the biggest thing is that very few people even know that if their claim is unfairly rejected, they have the right to complain to the insurance ombudsman. So today you show how insurance companies often play their own game. Sometimes they remove members without even telling you. Sometimes they double the premiums, and when it's time to settle a claim, they rejected it on a small technical reasons. So that's why if you are already have a health insurance or are planning to take one, keep your policy documents safe, understand the term and condition thoroughly, and do your homework before making a decision. Because one mistake, one small carelessness can become a huge financial risk for your family. And remember, buying insurance is important, but buying the right insurance is even more important. And if you feel that something like this is happening with your policy, or you want to share your story, do let us know in the comments. If you want clarity about which policy is right for you, or you are confused about your coverage, you can also book a free consultation with us, and the link is given in the description below. If you like this video, do subscribe our channel and share it with someone who faces the same fraud or same claim rejection, or facing the issue with their health insurance policies. Do contact with us, and the link is given in the description. And if you want to watch the more details about health insurance or a specific videos, you can show the related videos at the end screen of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.